Why is it that 99% of people fail right before they were about to win? We are taught that hard work equals results. We are told that if we put in the hours, the world will give us the reward. But what they don't tell you is the most dangerous part of the journey, the gap. The gap is that silent period where you are doing everything right, but nothing is happening. It's where most dreams go to die. Today, I want to tell you the story of Sam, and the 1 degree that changes everything. For 3 years, Sam lived in the shadows. He was a craftsman, building a vision that only he could see. Every morning, he was the first to start. Every night, he was the last to stop. From the outside, it looked like he was obsessed. From the inside, he was starving for a sign that he was on the right track. He watched his friends climb the corporate ladder. He saw them buying houses, posting their vacations, and laughing at the stability of their lives. And then, there was Sam, covered in grease and dust, standing in a silent garage with a machine that refused to turn over. One Tuesday night, the silence became too loud. Sam picked up a heavy sledgehammer. His breath was ragged. His heart was heavy with the weight of 1,000 not-yets. He raised the hammer high, ready to shatter 3 years of work into 1,000,000 pieces. He was done waiting for a miracle that wasn't coming. Just then, an old man appeared at the edge of the garage. He didn't shout. He didn't tell Sam to stay positive. He simply walked over to a small stove in the corner where a pot of water was sitting over a steady flame. He looked at Sam and asked, "Do you know the temperature of that water?" Sam lowered the hammer, confused. "It's hot," he snapped. "So what?" The old man smiled gently. "It's 99 degrees Celsius, Sam. It's hot. It's painful to touch. It's been sitting on this fire for a long time. But look at it, it's still just water. It's not moving. It's not doing anything." The old man leaned in closer. Most people look at 99-degree water and call it a failure. They see no movement, so they assume there is no progress. But they forget the law of nature. At 100 degrees, just 1 degree more, the water boils. It transforms into steam. And steam is powerful enough to drive a locomotive across a continent. He pointed to Sam's machine. "You've been heating your life for 3 years. You're at 99 degrees. You can't see the steam yet, but the molecules are moving faster than ever. Are you really going to walk away when you're only 60 seconds from the boil?" Sam put the hammer down. Not because he was sure it would work, but because he finally understood. Patience isn't about waiting, it's about maintaining the heat when everyone else has walked away from the stove. So, I ask you today, where are you in your journey? Are you frustrated because you've been working for months with no steam to show for it? Are you about to drop the hammer? Remember this: the difference between a quiet pot of water and a powerful engine is often just 1 degree of persistence. Do not quit at 99. Stay for the boil. Your transformation is closer than you think.